When you are finished with your course, you're going to want to save it to Resources. To do that, go to your course, click Options, and Save Course to Resources. Here you can choose a subfolder if you wish. I'll just leave it in Home and click Submit. That is saving it into your Resources area, which is also located at the top. Notice it's saying this is a large operation. It may take a few minutes before it shows up. A few things will not be saved to Resources. Your upcoming events will not, so anything on your calendar or over here on the side. Your updates will not transfer, nor will your course image. So if you want to keep your course image, simply right-click on it, and then you can save your image, put it on your desktop or in your Google Drive so that it's available for you the next year. Then when it's time to put your new course together, you can simply go to your new course, and you're going to click Add Materials, and then you're going to import that course from Resources. That's where we saved it to. Typically it's going to be at the bottom of the list because when Schoology puts things into Resources, it does it in that order. Here you can see my courses at the bottom of the list. I would recommend actually clicking into the course and then clicking the top button to select all and then importing. You will need to confirm. So we'll confirm import here, and that will bring everything from my resources back into my new course for the new term. So there I have everything again, all my folders, everything as I left it, including embedded items like this slideshow. So I could go back to the slideshow and it will update here as well. I can put my course picture back in, just simply click Edit Picture, attach it, find it wherever I had saved that earlier, open it, and now my course is ready to go for the new term.